Hi, how you doing? This is Dan. You see how that's going? And then you go like this. These have to be opposite, or they'll fight each other. So it's going that way. And then on this valve here, can you go down to that? This valve here controls how fast it goes down. So if I screw all this in, nope, this controls how fast it comes up. Okay? So if you want it to come up fast, you open that. Now this valve right on the bottom controls how fast it goes down. Yeah. Now I know one of the videos you sent, it showed pull the wire and they had to push it the rest of the way. If you open this up all the way, so if you had problems with it pulling the wire all the way through, you open this all the way up. So you get the full speed up and down. And then this is for your booster cylinder. The booster pushes this rod down the first like 2 or 3 inches. So you want this to be vertical. When this came to me, it was in the off position. So you need that rod. That rod is what gives you the pulling power to get it to the hole. So you want that open. And the other thing, when it came here, it was missing this knob. You can see how easy it is just to push in like this. You put your core in, and then remember the important thing. I fixed this wheel was slipping. The gear that presses in on the bottom was loose, so that all works now because I can see that's moving. Well, none of these gears are slipping, but if you want to go the other way, just move these kind of quick, you know, when you go the other way. And then you loosen these screws up. If you're not centered, you can loosen these screws up to move the whole base. The other thing is on these, when you get the stroke, these both have to be at the same spot. If you screw these, I readjusted these. If you screw these all the way into 0, let's see. All right. See right now, they can go that far. If you screw them all the way into 0, there's less stroke. See right now, I got them both in to the 0.25. See, it goes less. So as you screw them up, they should be even roughly, and that determines the stroke. So a bigger stroke for larger wire, you screw them up, but they should be equal. And and then on this, if this handle isn't in just the right spot, you can move this handle to the next spot. Figures I put on. Yeah. So depending on where this goes, you could probably put this here. So, yeah, so anyways, and that should slide nicely. So anyways, and the other thing is, you had a hook in there that was a threaded rod, and that threaded rod bends too easily. So if you needed a longer, this is the hook that normally comes with this, it's only got the thread at the end. So if you want a special custom rod that's taller, we can make you one that will be stiffer. So, but you should not be, I want you to see everything that's coming with this. So when you set this up, this handle shouldn't be missing. I don't know what happened, but you lost half the parts to it. So I don't know what you guys are doing when you get it. So anyways, I just want you to see that everything's working. And sometimes these get sticky, so if you give them a quick push, they jump into gear. Now it's going this way. Yeah. Because sometimes they get stuck, but if you give it a quick push. All right, so that's everything. Okay.